Hello children. Right now we have revised about the prepositions, right? So let's go to the Guardian to learn more about it in the detail. In the garden. So right now we are in the garden. Yes, here you can see the picture. Garden, grass, flower, bee, pond. Read and listen. Jim is speaking with his dad. Dad's in the garden. He's under the tree. Where is the dad? If you observe properly in the picture, you can see that dad is in the garden. Dad is in the garden and he's under the tree. Where is he sitting? He's under the tree. That means what? पेड़ के नीचे बैठे हुए हैं. So here the word that is under. Just now we have seen some of the example, right? He is under the tree. Let's go for the second one. Oh no! Look at the bee. It's on Dad's hat. Where is the bee? On Dad's hat. So where is the here this word on shows the position of a bee. Oh no! Look at the bee. It's on Dad's hat. Okay, so where is the bee? Bee is on Dad's hat. So on is the word that shows the position of the bee. Emily. The bee isn't on Dad's hat now. It's on his nose. So right now, where is the bee? Bee is on his nose. Oh, the bee isn't on Dad's hat now. It's on his nose. So again, where is the bee? The bee is on the Dad's nose. Dad isn't under the tree now. He is in the flowers. So where is the dad? In the first picture we saw that dad was under the tree. Now dad isn't under the tree now. यानी dad अभी tree के नीचे नहीं है. He's in the flowers. So where is he? He's in the flowers. So here the word in shows the position of the dad. Now the next. The bee is on Dad's hat. So right now what? Bee is in the Dad's hat. And then Emily said, where's the dad? He's in the pond. So what happened in the garden? Dad was under the tree, and then suddenly what happened? A bee came and sat on Dad's hat, and then it's on his nose. So Dad ran away. Then he's in the flowers, and at last he removed his hat and he threw it on the ground, and he went in the pond to save himself from the bee. Okay, so here you can see the word under, then on, in. Here also in, this word shows the position, and that's why these words are called as a preposition, because these words comes before the nouns or the pronoun. Now see, we will go ahead with the comprehension. Write the letters. Here the pictures are given. Observe this picture. These pictures are labeled with the letters. Dad's under the tree. So which picture shows that? This. And it's labeled with a C, so C will come in the box. The bee is on Dad's nose. So here you are going to find out that, and here you will write it. Dad's in the pond. You have to choose the letter and write in the box. The bee is on Dad's hat. Now the next, put the sentences in the correct order. Dad's in the flowers. Dad's under the tree. Dad's in the pond. The bee is on Dad's nose. So here what you are going to do, you are going to arrange it serially. So which was the first thing? The first thing was that Dad's under the tree. Here if you will observe, right? Then afterward what will come? Then afterward what happened? Yes, the bee is on Dad's nose. So here the second sentence will, this is the second sentence, so here 2 will come. Okay, so such a way you are going to arrange the sentences. Let's move ahead. Read and write the answers. Where's Dad? He is under the tree. Where's the bee? So where is the bee right now? It's, here you have to write the preposition. Dad's hat, right? Sorry, it's a nose. Nose. Where is Dad? So you are going to fill that, and this will help you. These conversations will help you. Okay, so a conversation you are going to read it properly. आपको conversation read करना है बराबर से, and then you are going to solve this. Where is Dad? Okay. Now let's check the vocabulary. Read and circle. Look at the garden or grass. So here, what is it? It's a garden. So the word garden is circle. Now you are going to choose. It's a frisbee or a flower. Look at the swing or a slide. The grass or a tree is green. This is a bee or a tree. So you have to choose the correct word and you are going to circle that word. यानी आपको यहाँ पे सर्कल करना है करेक्ट वर्ड को. Complete the sentences. Tree, flower, slide, grass and tree. These words are given. You are going to use these words with the help of the picture. Look at the picture and then accordingly you are going to fill this. Dad is under the tree. Mom is on the what? Grass, flower, tree or slide. So you are going to fill that word here. My brother is on the, what is it? Yes, slide. The bee is on the, what is it? Yes, so you are going to choose from here. The frisbee is in the. Now look at the exercise 6 and ask the ask and answer. Where is the bee? It's on the flower. Now where is the mom? So such a way I will ask you the questions in the online session. Now the next, it's a writing work. Here you can see the garden. What you can see in this? Yes. Here is a mother. Then dad is here. Sister is here. So what is written? This is my garden. So this is my garden. यानी ये मेरा garden है. Dad is on the grass. So here is the dad. Dad is on the grass. Mom is under the tree. Mom is under the tree. My sister is on the slide. So where is my sister? My sister is on the slide. The ball is in the tree. So where is the ball? The ball is in the tree. So here also you can see the prepositions. Okay, on, under, in. Now write the words in the order. The first one is done for you. The bee is on the flower. And you are also going to arrange the sentences. Draw the items in the picture. Bee, ball and frisbee. Here you are going to draw it. यानी आपको इस picture में ये 3 things draw करना है. And then accordingly you are going to fill this. This is my garden. Mom is... so you are going to write the preposition. Okay. We will complete this in our online session.